ne papa and someone walk catch no memory no or the memory na echo
yeah
memory no your first there you catch no obe encode o encode we are you are going to retain it
papa
o retain it because you are obe kai if I recall so encoding retention and recall sane mama yen say na memory and na ye enkai
we mu de ma o kai de papa repeat bi encode
just a wusia and a fe retention if you retaining knowledge now by exams no if I not recalling just a kai just say the chere wo no 3 years ago no afetro won so na ma me papa omo sori a atamdije ye kasa chere wo etwi wanim ye bobo asom na enyimu chere say no na ehwe kuni bebie mu like cortisol and adrenaline they go to shrink it
wo mo kokko moa sa memory no
memory hippocampus na moa no
enti na kora na bon no
no mo
etu ye ba ten na me ba bon wo akwada na bon wo no ma akwada na bon
nsema o kagunu so it shrinks it na shrinking one you cannot do anything I shrink it it is obebo oba jai san someone wo ka che no jai ndi na tem ensan no and our bon and our yes and our mo he you are shrinking the child's hippocampus one outcome
you are shrinking the child's hippocampus I like the word you are shrinking the child's hippocampus
obi say I'll say a hippo any campus
no ye be ma kwada na kai obe retaining knowledge
yes
ye ni emre
count ni nyina no what say
ya mani
ma me bitimi hwe ne ba
aka me mra so asie
wo de binim say
oh
binim say
ya ba Sompa
da chana na ni aje opani twana ni anani raho mara hu sampa na minkai mintam kese na me bosi memranti bremu metia futu elabina binyo ranti ani mabawa mutie me akama yasa muda
anka mayese mubai mo somfo Joseph Osafo enene maji mekonya mene ekosia ago aboaje a yede Sompa Rhapsody enam Sompa FM 106.5 FM so ene yede brewi eyana me kai wo se ade achema onyame na hirawo na abrabo yebo ni esua de obra nimde nyansa afutuo nka ho no ayopura sini wa he kura na ye no
tikani awafa na mi wobio disike nyina womanu bidima hodi nyina somemba
obisa na hodi nyina di amamma obra na wobunu enkoyie ensisia no odisisi ba bia enye na brabo ne na nambotuo aye bribie wo ho obisa something that is there. Adebi wa sa osaka ne ntem na hu ne ntem a anka abrabo anka dani yo anka abrabo ekoyi enti Sompa Rhapsody program ye di abrawo se ye de beboabo ahye watenka wadwene wana motuo na abrabo asiye na asiw kra yie daache wanya futu bi e de na me ka wo say just king before na di adwuma yi ebreye omo ya de pa so ye dokuno a dokuno koyi emote ye fite ne kama wonya ebia no bayi a na wo de check wo hafa ebe koyi pa say opese utubia momodia na mawasante wo mo dome behind the Ghana Commercial Bank. And now Maka Obi so ya boa na ya abaga na baga na kwache. What's na bridges then away ho. Sompa Rhapsody ya boa. Obi se me nkomikurum ebi se okwa ya no cheka mu. Omo de waji awante. Wanya futu pa. Obi aka che se obi na ye o ma me na ye o papa na ye o. Center for Aging Studies ye makwan. Ma obi mo na ma me bayi. Ne papa bayi ense no. Anapay mene akosia agwabaje yatana se akosia anapay yatana se said mema ho akwaba last week na me bo amane na next mema akwaba yi akosia ene me kan se be anger
papa
abufusho
na ochi topic na no o shite se chese topic na papa we say na wo de ye kon anger
ya be anger management me count 9 na abufuo eso na me gina ebi se epre nipa edi nipa wu asa brabo ekum nipa
edem
obi adwuma asai
ye
obi abrabo asai obi are egu obi de sugusugu abufuo esenipa very dangerous emotion
abia
nanso chiro any bible any psychological interventions on Sompa Rhapsody
okay
yede be guakwan
mu
because ya be say ofi as kind two text
okay
ebe kind atie for mutia ya na
rafa mfone bra na bible no so
psychobiblical where psychology meets theology and psychotheology me the bible no and psychology me kafra
we
and a good mixture unya na baby just a Sompa Rhapsody you can count Ephesians 4:26
okay
na eno me anchor text yadi be yadwuma pa osa abufu hey
anger management na papa ebufu etimi manage media obiti media mi bufu a media mi bufu enyo media mi wakoko pa sha mi bufu a che tornado me bufu metimi de TV bofom
yeku
je mi bufu a metimi saya de share mi bufu a ja metimi dum niema me bufu a jai ebia bufu time papa me bu me de me shama bufu kra me shama bufu he de wo kan wo shama bufu
adentia
ate de wo ye no shama bufu papa wo si sa bufu na bufu de yetimi manage ye
yetimi manage pa akosia abufu na ama Moses
ankobo sha asase no so abufu na ama Moses ankobo sha asase no so
akosia abufu na ma the first murder Bema ana unia ekuninia
Kenny Abel
abufu na deba
abufu
the first murder in the world as recorded in scripture abufu na deba
eni papa abufu yi ye hu ne se abufu de ade menya nipa me bufu a menya nipa enye nipa na ne bufu abufu ye de en wa ya de na enya na me buafu a me bufu me bufu a me ma na me buo mo saa buo mo saa me bufu me tibi keka bi kire me yere tibi keka bi kire me kunu
yo
she obi ukura ne buafu ma adwuma no se me jai okoduru fie wie ne ete nani so
Orisa e ma be mam kakala ose
ai me de eyi e friend say adwuma wura no ayi abiema na me say wo fom adwuma wura no me de me makeka bia kire no eti me de me say adwuma ne magyan ba okotena fie 1 week no hu say ekoma hyase e de no wadi abufu agya adwuma na wie
odi abufu agya adwuma
ai
ekom na be de
afi 1 week time na tea na nisu no na die na mayi adwuma su me si magya me tibi so nkomachi obi abufu ai aware ne magyan
abufu time we ai
me nwade biem
yo
me nwade biem
okay
me ne wajai
okay
me ne wajai oban so so ne magyan ai be man so so me ne okay mate wo ne magyan me ko na oban na pake ne niam okoye di be 1 week na ote was ah eh na kofi ni hanam ne na dware abom na bufu no what is sayade what say azana nani aba no so what say you no
and because Ephesians
4:6 on
ye wi ana wako Yakubu
na se na ayi psychology emiti theology
ye di be fra anger there because one of the most destructive emotions nipa
about Ephesians chapter
4:6
Ephesians chapter 4:6 and now per NIV no okay me ma NIV no come Ephesians 4:6 or say one God and Father of all who is over all and through all and in all.
Okay. Oh, yeah, no. Mama.
Okay.
Mama, okay. If you ask me, James rather. James 1:19 and 20.
Okay. I'll be up. Okay. And James chapter 1, verse 19.
19 and 20.
19 and 20. Okay. James chapter 1, verse 19 and or say, my dear brothers and sisters.
Okay.
Take note of this. Everyone should be quick to listen.
Quick to listen.
Slow to speak.
Slow to speak.
And slow to become angry.
And slow to become angry.
Because human anger does not produce the righteousness that God desires.
Hey, Salom. Human anger does not produce the righteousness that God desires.
Aye.
Second one, Ephesians 4:26.
Ephesians chapter 4, verse 26. Okay, 26 now say, in your anger, do not sin.
Hey.
So obufu amenye bone. Obufu amenye bone. In your anger, do not sin.
Okay.
Do not let the sun go down while you are still angry. Do not let the sun go down while you are still angry.
Do not let the sun go down.
Do not let the sun go down while you are still angry.
And teacher said, Obo bet me a fool.
Yeah.
Na mo nye bone.
All right.
Answer that thing.
San wo party.
Na che say abufuo yi no. Obo bet me a fool.
Okay.
Now so obetumi amanage wo ho say onye bone.
Okay.
So anger itself enye bone.
Abufu ankasa nye bone.
Debi.
Papa chire mu yema. In your anger, do not sin. Do not let the sun go down while you are still angry. It will say, wabufu mu no menye bone nti de opa chen say abufu ankasa nye bone.
Abufu nye bone. But abufu ebetumi create a space for sin.
Na say abufu betimi amoa ya ade a ebe ye bone.
Understand here?
Kasa pole,
kasa traso.
Kasa tem didie adapetwa.
Ebetimi
aye bone. Okay.
Aduane die enye bone.
Be aduane die moroso.
Aduane moroso.
Di bia na homete.
Na homete. Bone.
Okay.
And the anger itself enye bone.
Abufu ankasa nye bone.
Debi.
Na mom dia wode be ye no.
Dia wode be ye no.
Ene ma na ye bone.
Anger becomes a vehicle. And they say brebia o faswa bibi.
Okay.
So it's a means to an end.
Okay.
And I trust say. O say obunfu na mo nye bone.
Ma obunfu na ma menye bone.
Yes. Now what you mean now obunfu say ebesua say even God himself
onyame mpo
is described as a God of anger.
So onyame mpo ni bufu.
Ni bufu.
Okay.
Onyame bufu. Onyame nkrofo bufu.
Yeah.
But obetumi adendan abufu no such that obu befu de.
Nanso wonya bone.
Nanso wonya bone. Obu afu. Obi aka asema obu afu.
Ba woni di natem.
Woni di natem. And you are be friend assertive anger. Say obi kan asem bi and I will confront him gently. Say many anje de kind. Obu afu. But why you bone?
Yeah.
You have assertively confronted the person. But you next time be I am you say
yeah.
Why you dey? And I'm not happy with you.
Many anye ho. Esuso na obu afu o. Ba se de wusi kasa ye no. Wan kasa ji. Wo kan se Say we see kasa na anya me de.
Many anje.
Many anye ho.
Until next time
the menu so sa word
na mama bi. Ubetumi ayesa.
Wow.
Obuefu. Mo se buefu. Nyame se oman no se omo nyindi se esukomo de omo re fidie onyame aye.
Ayamom.
Ana nyame se okay na ekura onsem no. Afi first time no ma the ball. A ball. But this time around.
Kasachire no.
But the Bible said he was angry.
Na ne bu ofu nti abufu ni mu no wan tie nyame. Na de ball mu papa.
Na ko.
Adam tie theologian bi o say aba no de ball Yesu no de ball no sa no.
Ai.
Enti Yesu o de ball papa o de ball mienu ana miensa.
O de ball mienu Yesu.
O say we no o no na ka o ma Yesu ye bu ni bebre. E Moses ya. Efisenka obo no won mpo a keka omo hwe ne kakra na nko mu ja adaja
anka kakra e bo ne kakra no
na nso Moses abɔ ne mprenu nti
o de apem no se
waji asotro mprenu
so that's where we are beginning
okay
where you from now because I mean you have a free discussion on yeah ede na ma abufuba sources and everything
obi anya ade a wo mpe
okay enti ade bi obi aya wo
mpe obi anya ne wo pe
wonderful because me be bold doctor
akosi agwa and the professor Joseph Osafo say about me doctorate will reduce mienu mo ante doctor
ye di kan no obi aya ade
a ompe
it doesn't mean
obi anya ne wo pe
it means you are looking for control.
Yeah.
Open control. You want to control your space. Now, any no, we are wired to seek control. So that the brain becomes predictable. Just say, to me, life becomes predictable rather. To me, who say, that's how human life. But and yet the bia na obenya control.
Nye de bia na obenya de wo pe.
Debi.
Nye de bia na obi abeye de wo pe.
Debi. So sometimes people will go off obi beye de wo pe. They will go against the wo na nka ope no. O meye de wani
enye ho.
Anti ene ya number 2, number 3 den.
Enna obi aya de na ye wahi.
Ha. To obi wo ha. Obi hu ye wahi. Na ho ye wahi. You know, hatred, hostility. Why are we? It doesn't know who of a sound.
Yeah.
When you marry a sound, Osika sound, and Crawford Penasam a sound. One on a cover be or just shine.
Yeah.
A snow. Once one bunipa. One also your bunipa. And to call me no munipa nanipa, will be a to a
bamnoa.
Nayoya. There be a sheer hostility, just say, one pet, or there be mempe. I don't like it.
Yeah.
And I don't know. I don't like it.
I know. Yeah. I'm in pet. It's in ampe.
Wouldn't pardon.
A jealousy. Any bread. A show. Yeah. Some for penasum.
Sanity.
A yen obi okra obi ne bu ofua den a. Eyi na asresa. Nankaminsu. Na papa was serious kwetimi obi bufu
because o sere na na bia no address it and ehina enko e fa ho be
root cause na ye ni bre wa bufuo ni nyina ye ken na na baadie ni bia nyameji e baadie tu mo wan se ken na ahye no
ya
no ahye ne se nyame age e baadie atum no anyene dia antum
awafo na akosi plus edem bio ebese man for di echi
okay
edem bio we ebi ni bere ebi de opese obi ya wanye ebi wankasa another source na say osia sometimes yeah de bi na won't me ya we are anger directed at yourself
na wa obu ofu ho
orchestra sorry wentwa opesa will meet the line be went to me. For time management is so bad. We are sad be but procrastination.
And to went to me and
me ye mama ye so went to me and ye. And the Ojina Hana or Wabra Bonama Junior. Say, what's wrong with me? The ones are worth
Yeah.
Now, obi oha ne bufu a, they engage in self-harming behaviors. Or first second they try to.
Hey.
Aye. No one ten ho. Now I ten so. Ebi oha the whole day only. Or say or punishing ho.
Hey.
A son say or ye bribia enye. That's anger directed at yourself.
Ono ne bu ofu ne ho.
Exactly.
Wow.
And maybe your home so goes frustration. Say, open say you can say frustration psychology. A person just say a barrier. Bribia, I see a coin. The person me free ha. A coin be out no. But BBS me coin. Okay. And sometimes people can frustrate you in life. Your boss. A bit me frustrate you. Frustrate you. Or you my for bit me frustrate you. You my for. Wukunu. Bit me. Yeah. Wukunu. Open say oku school. I don't want to catch you. So, open say me go school na me go school. I did see a bay. The early day being SLC. Also, I want to add value. Many value.
Now, I'm not catching about the me no value. No,
men no value. Now,
I'm glad I go school.
Okay, be anyway you want. And Obanus were being.
Yeah, there's enough frustrating.
What being only my dear. And your person was Shannon Crawford. We were master savvy. That's why we're ready. Means frustration. Until you become frustrated.
Yeah.
But this will also shock you. Because one day yeah,
Papa said 1 day yeah.
1 day yeah. If you have a poor sleep pattern, want to mean that. Now, and now you can measure the physiology of it.
Wow.
And nano. And now one of the best ways are nipediano restore. Okay. And the who that. As I said to me day. Yeah. On that I won't say your heart rate goes down. Metabolism goes down. Okay.
And so would they yield to what that come body now? What body now restore?
I restore. To send you akuma. Also repair and power by na cortisol ni adrenaline fie go ni pediem
body na nya hode foforo
prepare for the day but how could that all of those activities ebafem when to me and year those activities esan ka before ni nyina
ejina so
akoma pressure was high offense adrenaline we eye adwuma enti obesoro no na sa amygdala yi ameka no hasemi wo bo ken danger enti wo bi ka sem kakra bi
na bu ofu
na trigger
enti to me wa na ye obo se obi ka say o da bi obi ti ka say me kru sorry me hwe nanim sadam say akwe wa na ye because me busa the first question chick no to mama no the me say busa the first one obi otimi study na yere saa o say anopa no wo hese no we say mudi so we say muna nanim no a men kasa no nti akosu aduan na ready ready we say that be akosu na ye me san ko busa the second question because ha reply e be ba no enti aware for the papa mo wo adan
akosu ya mame me pese me sambufu I like this topic wiki when we say obi lose na juma
yeah obi adwuma bo na bufo nti
obi aware
egu abufo nti ya
obedience so eja dem to
abufo nti wakoka de yen kan
no pay into kwakorasi every say wakoma osoro all the time na me kai afa enkrofo bi ho me kai Moses sani me ne akosu aka Exodus 33:11
okay
Moses and Numbers 14:19 mankind Numbers 20 and he struck the rock what the bonnet pie instead of speaking to the rock 40 years anamotia oni nyame nante ye nyina
what they are saying
abufonti wendo ho and Numbers 20:12 a custom Moses entry
when timi akọ promised land no
the promised land obi promised land aware abranti bi hia o e no so be waro ona odi nkomo e na BBC na abufo bi a odi hia no and now we had 40 years
yes obi ani ho
and obi ani ho once we abranti we share sister bi oh you very good just say very intelligent woman abufunti obufu yara otutu amano and now he den oba fon and won say dua say bo say nti ono so okọ
abufu
well lose no. So unmanaged anger comes with a cost.
Necessary abufu no say wan toto no a e ma wo hire ade.
Saul, King Saul, 22 to 24 times he attempted to kill David. Anger. It cost him his life. Finally, we Jonah. Agosia. Okay, in Jonah.
Jonah.
Yes, calling even na koka sempatre.
Obuafu.
Womudu hona waka asem na wi. O ka sempa se wo be sakra. Wonga sakra. No nyankopon wo de wa no.
Yes, onokwa. Yes, omo ye bonade no wanku omo no ama o masakra. Nya me se na wo nipa bebrebe wetimi nko mo. Wo kotre duase adua no hye ye hwede woni brabere.
Won asema okay. You are looking for something na anko way.
Anko wa would say wo pa no.
Exactly.
Obi what papa opese de bia ankofo ye de ono pe. De bia che say ono de wo ye very controlling and manipulative as manipulative as say wan ye de wo pa.
Emo Jonah na dwen yakora o.
Hey,
eno na medwen o say akwai. Eti eni papa e bia 300,000.
Omungu.
If you say I question come, when would the entire D4 be dangerous? And I make or D4 be dangerous because one of the challenge and teacher say, was a phone shit?
Yeah. Oh yes. Yeah.
Oh man shit.
Hey.
Na yes, son of catcher.
The be
Jonah cocan sempa. One cocan sem. The best is the onyanko pompe or the moyeni new. And to what can sempa we know. God is looking forward that what comes and they will come into repentance. Oh yeah, I say, I may have quite say Jabi Fisrato.
A jana mentioned me be uncrofonia near Wope.
And Jonah, his plan is calling in rage, avoidance. And well, from Jonah 1 verse 3, Nineveh repented, or more repenting here and a buffalo or mouthful. Hey, wouldn't him? Jonah chapter 4 verse 9. I say, do you do well to be angry? Do you do well to be angry? And I'm wefu. Because I do know say, obi ye DNT. Ana obi akase adie mi nye bio. Na me boy dwamai. Me no monsa. Me yese me nye bio. Bi kura bofu say adana ho ye bio.
Papa nka me bebu say wo kan Nineveh ni Jonah semina me say na obi repentance ya ne ho atono no. Ama abuofu anti obi ye die so timi de abufuo obi ye die papa timi de abufuo betena watenka so ene wadwenim obi ye die
because na maybe she one by one a different class of anger.
Yes,
in this free discussion Moses there no if no caregiver fatigue obi
that okay no caregiver fatigue no when you are
a caregiver,
okay.
Ona odan krofano, we a sofo, we a mame, we a teacher, we a ja, we a caregiver. Prolonged dealing with inkrofo when you're stubborn can make you angry. And to obey here, mammy be a winning. Woman do as you know.
Man a drone.
No, you have no.
So do you the man when you are a was a man no. To say, we bought food.
But you so.
But I was a
Obi here, neba, nebano, 1 year school.
Yeah,
and a war born was yadi. One must be seen.
To was a show of bufu.
Once one more.
Auntie Papa says sometimes no will be a dear. O person by a quay mano. O buano. Nafe o ye wa famu de no still no a nipa no and I say o buano no suade na asa wo ha no asa wo tu no fo no na o ha na ma wa bufu
exactly
etimi hye wo bufu
if no burnout and a burnout triggered dysregulation just say when you burn out I say bribi brow I say one bread na obre no munti burnout triggered dysregulation
okay
ama wa think no and she say
what bread
and a caregiver fatigue bet me ama side EBS.
Okay.
Anna so de na ne yeka no. We no obi a oye paranoia na paranoia obi o ma. Because he na dwene say somebody's against me. Somebody's against me. There be no.
There be any so obi dwene ho adwembone. Obi be ne bone.
Paranoia. And also sometimes if no narcissistic injury. I just say narcissism no. There be a person control things around him. Obi be on your boss. Me yeni o yeni aba obi enka ho. I say koto.
I say koto.
And so there no.
Okay.
Enti eno no dindan waten kama obufuntem. And now about Jonah de here a typical example of self-righteous anger. Nebuafu na wo ye righteous. Wo Jonah wo ye righteous. After a yes man say wo dwane ye. Enti aden na wo buafu. You are not righteous. And in self-righteous anger, the most, in fact, one of the most resistant angers. So we was self-righteous anger here. Now, Buana, I was your brother.
Papa, I didn't know be otisa. Ubetray mu efa sa self-righteous anger no. Say obi wo ho a wo sa ebufuo no wono so a. I say Jonah de no. Ono no de wono gine hudi. Asin obi a nkwhye. No ono nko ade na da bi ogia na so papa wo se nipa bi se wo kasa wo boa na obre edi enti na
papa de enti a obere nse. Omo hwe your life from the mirror of their life.
Or shana brabo afri ono ni di mu.
Ono na hwehwe mu.
Ono na hwehwe mu.
Enti o hwe no no ho hwehwe mu a o de wo tutu no.
Okay.
Me yesen. Ana attribution theory say eya na nipa. Ye hu afoforo se wonye. Na yenye yesene.
Afoforo, okay.
Enti say obi ye mfon so pa. Obum say wo attribute na mfon so no to certain errors in his life and character.
Okay.
Oh, so not it. On them so be. But I told one person was circumstantial.
Yeah.
Oh, na say me dey.
Na they will make excuses for it. But obi the woman is our grace, you know.
Woman okora. Enti who Jonah, yes man ko udwane. You disobeyed God.
Yeah.
Now who do honor nkrofo na asakra. You know say owurade we dey the small me no asoaba. Obuafu. Self-righteous anger. To obi wo hono ma. Wono yi wontan no de wo ye na ye west.
Ono yi wontan.
Wo yi wontan.
But you ono ye na ye west.
Oh ye west. Wo bu aten so de o ye no. Because you are ye west. O ka cho say ma dwuma nso
obo dwuma wo tokrom.
O tare obi yere.
Enyeska but no wieska.
O man yeska nso no wieska.
Wieska.
Okwa asore na na hye socks ho. Asore bi ya
na. Obi ya French socks ho.
Okwa asore bi ya na. Osi o twene socks no ho awurade a. Wa wieska socks no.
Yeah.
And so be jina ka cho say we nye menye.
Sankrofo no mo ye dangerous o.
Very dangerous.
Papa omo ye very dangerous.
Self-righteous anger because you are dangerous.
Omo sa be ye sofo kra de en.
Hey, oh your west.
Yeah.
Because obejina pulpit mu aka say. Wonyame say.
O sa ware.
Uni ni oye. Everything they claim they don't do and amo ka che no, they do it.
Na papa I did na nipa bitimi do sa level no. Sa level no a otimi ye very judgmental say. But ono an judge ne ho. On say nipa ne timi do level bi a otimi begina pulpit so na wo preachi and na memfo obi sika ba obi yere ayi emani obi ahun konkonsa menye sei but odi bi papa de ne bi mutimi sadie na magene ho ante me de say odi aba say obi timi nya that effrontery that audacity etimi nya sa akokodo timi hold microphone e ka ade a wono ankasa ye na obebu aten e wo properties so papa sa emotional intelligence every
That's what I mean.
Because no guilt, no shame.
Yes. Psychology say, will be most of the time, and we from Freudian psychoanalytic psychology say, a lot of the time, you are part of your friend unconscious when in na adibi a wajin.
Okay.
When in now, but a control.
Okay.
Until I say. Obe mu bi a o kasetia ade bebre no na otosin ho enti ne kasa o kasa no a defense mechanism.
Okay.
Or the kataso.
The
more all come, the more atwa mfunyi no wadwe mu say
onesa nes what they born ho ban sabi a wadwene maso so oye sa but oye
entina eya na Bible say eya mu atem bibere judgment belongs to God.
Yeah,
if you say obu atem bibere ya na o ya be self righteous nso nso enko ye ma
yeah nso tosi ni oba
na enko ye ma enti obi ya de bi na anko ye na we na tan na eja.
Yeah,
if you say won so betumi
atofom sa
the end so gina ho no
won hweye
no
wan hwe ase.
And a lot of people are covering up on so many things. Our more use you and not as a tool, not they condemn you be.
Especially when they don't give grace.
And the minister say,
yeah,
say will be
a can, yeah.
Na me kone ya okonko kan asem me ya me hwe nkofo ka no. Me hedi na me tie nkofo ka asem. Will be obeka traso bia no. Hwe yi. That's my rule of thumb. Obi obeka traso.
Asemba.
Adie die.
Yempene so
adie die na bi ade. Aya na yi. O cover adie bi.
Next time no ho za kwa wonani. Papa. Next time no. We say na ni when we die ba ya no ye gigi no. Next time no bo say omo ye very critical. Omo ye very judgmental.
Wonya daje.
Ohun ni pomo bo.
Dabi. Wonya daje.
Wo hwe no ono wo ye west. Wo ye die hu.
Wo ye west. Just onya daje ma. Ono wo kan na fio na dia wo ye.
Ni bu afu nyina na the bufu no a root cause no.
Abusafo nipa na yem from so.
Aw.
Enti edu ba bia. Ma yem hihyo. Be compassionate towards people.
Yeah.
And I also yem hihyo ma wa. I also jai.
Usujai.
The repeated FNSA.
Yeah.
Commission say
ya hu mo bon so da so ye.
No asa kwa no ya hu yi.
Okay.
Hu yi pa, o ye pa se urare. E de apotru. So hore ye hu a. E be sa ko.
Deviano de.
Horo yi anu asa ko tum. I was look at this. Me say enkrofo 80 na 80 asembi.
Yeah.
Mike Tyson. Mani Mike Tyson.
Oh.
Mike Tyson, Ayobia, no Obo Kutukupa. In fact, in boxing history,
yeah,
or you're one of the best heavyweight boxers and champions. He has a volcanic anger because it cost him his freedom in 1992 to 1995. It cost him his reputation. In fact, a B estimate say anger cost him $400 million plus.
Wow.
Abufuo
Mike Tyson.
Woko okori obi aso.
Yes, we obi aso.
Ena na obi ye ni interview.
Yeah.
I say I was consumed by rage from childhood.
Feeling kola brem nyina bufuo.
Every men kola brem no abufuo chichire me.
Etu okukura utimi se bufuo wo mtena no otimi bu nkrofo no.
Abufuo.
Odi abufuo ba bu akum.
Abufuo.
Otimi bu to fom. Abufuo.
Ba on se abufuo.
Yeah.
Se ohunu mu nyansa na odendan kakran ka se sika won lusu. Because people have lost money. People have lost network.
In relationship.
Meko interview bi akusa menka. I was invited to sit in an interview. Interview mu no. Me na me hwe atenkemu nhyehyɛ.
Okay.
Role na ye pedia manipa no. A role bi a as a sound doctor bi adwuma also oyo bi a owa abotreni abodwo cherry. And they were not looking at skills.
Okay.
They were looking at attitudes.
Wow.
And yeah, say back on school, me kura
degree.
Me first class. My
and you know mo share. E funny panajuma.
Papa was looking for obia or what in Kemunyansa. So I was invited as a psychologist to sit on the panel. Yatiwana oko interviewer. Mamuti yepa. Oko interviewer. One year interview, they can induce anything bia to test you.
Yeah.
And the oko interviewer, say unhuni nyansa.
Unhuni interview mu nyansa.
Nyansa. Udu hono, yama baby atana. Uwa wana yaba. Esi okotena ha. oh ani aba oh Debbie kotena ni nyina
it
can be part of it.
Yeah.
Enti me wana me catch panel say nipa no about on time ye man akwaba moto mo twe and I'm seeing delay kakra ne hade because me pese me
yeah
na ukokoye adwuma no situations will put you to the test.
Yeah. Niema betimi a check.
Enti I was say you create a scenario.
Yes,
yes, bisa na o kasa mfefa na okobi wa na ate amatewa obeka kama so hade.
Yeah.
Enti delay no it delay just for 5 minutes. Ya catch and see who's waba onya abotrema and if me see omra owure mu na me see you're welcome. Who is welcome?
Hey,
who is welcome? Look at the time. When I used to be in the UK, by this time, are you guys serious? Hey, eh? So be ni nyansa. Monsieur Akasani, ne hwini nyina woso.
Ne buafu ama, obi wa de bufu na ho popo.
Now what I'm saying in the Bible. Nostrum.
Yeah.
F-A-P-H, F in the Hebrew. Or hwini Trono adeka about abufu.
Oh.
And the bra Ken bufu ninuya na yake na kan say Esau.
Okay.
Bufu ninuya
Jacob
no. Ne maame asem kan say Genesis 27 say unuya na bufu no. Hebrew no ye unuya ne hwene ya e wo so blaya sa no.
Okay.
That's a Hebrew.
Nessa na hwene wo so.
That's an anger that shakes the nose.
Okay.
So one say hwene no.
Pitiri. Ne hwene so.
Enti Rebecca say me hu say
ne hwene
wo so no.
Jana na ko
obeku enti ko Abranti hwene wo so no okasa. Ana ye nyina edi ye no.
Na mo he no.
Owie na me say wonderful. Why are there pa? The meeting is over. Interview na na ye wi no. Afi na ni e ba no.
Na ni ba na ho so.
Say again means that
atuna.
Wonya tenkamu nimdia.
Wonya tenkamu nyansa. Oni atenkamu nyansa.
Sebi prayer. What madam? Walk up obi adwuma ye. Wo bi na ende sika betonsem now they are tomatoes, they are salt, they are to will lie be, they are rent. Are you crazy? What's wrong with you? Until what do you mean? Say
what to me so kakra.
He say testament. Mammy management.
Yeah.
What do wow na wo ka say?
Are you serious? Are you serious? Me wo UK. Wo UK na anam ha pa adwuma ye no. Wabufuo tantan. Wabufuo ade say ade. Wabufuo.
I was here. Are dangerous?
Oh, you dangerous, Papa.
And he lost.
Adwuma no born said the trouble koto no.
Nensan candian. No mo e na nkofo nim say akosia obufu a e a wo de hwe ho obehu say wonsen wo so
yeah
akosia ange bia no there are minor elevations in your blood pressure.
Papa will say obufu bia o blood pressure e kosoro
kakra
but e kosoro kakra
bia de bia
na buafu no
obi ho na bufu kra hu onam so no buafu na buafu no mu enti wonam ho ni nyina buafu nyina na blood pressure na kosoro kama that krope
top
obenya serious stroke
yeah
obenya heart and even cardiac arrest
meche
ni nyina na hotwe me no omanfo me ne mo be
abufu hu sunsanso etimi ma o blood pressure kosoro
ebi anya stroke
heart attack timi ma wo fa ba bi jojo
ebi anya stroke ne fa bi ajojo ohun ni obeye ebi say ne bufu ye no a little bit of anger Bible anka say ma obumfu
no se menye bone
o se obumfu na mo nye bone and o say kai o James 1:19 and 20 say be slow to anger.
Yeah. And more boom fun tentem. And more boom fun tentem.
Number 3 for Syria didn't die dear no. No one not Chicago with Jawadi. Nina o managino.
Now watching Papa say boy you.
Managino.
Sa won pese bufo ntu benya stroke. On pese bufo ntu benya cardiac heart attack. O blood pressure be kosoro. wadwuma bɛbɔ wo ukunu bɛgya wo yiri bɛgya wo ɔma mpɛ wasɛm nyinaa wobufu na wopɔ wɔ mo a
tiger
eti akora bi epekwan akora bi opekwan anyiri afiri ne maame fie opekwan anyiri okɔ boarding house on pese obeba
wo bono se pam
opese obeba aden me papa ne bufu a obo wasumu a wayi ose efra wani kama wo head ne mra order no na di bed papa ne po wasumu a kama wani mra ho se wonya nipa no na di bed 30 minutes aba
we na ya na hamadwin
aba
eya Ghana ha no we glorify these things. You can say, hey, media discipline, no. Most of the so-called discipline, most of them were abuses.
Yeah, abuse.
Baby abuses. Will be the electrical wire and the boniba.
Ish.
Now when you say, oh, yes, what trono? Say, Mountain ye by Osafo. A baby discipline is overdone. Trauma is ignited.
Wow.
Say, ubura kuratra soa uprano enye ensesa kwada brabo uprano eti enkrofo bi wo ho a omo kan self esteem sari yosi hu ne ho fa no bu ne ho no abreki wo bi wo ho a na dwene sari ebesi ahye na bo na tenka no abreki wonyini no ono so ade kɔ na ware mu ode kɔ tete ne ma ne babufu a no afa electric wire no ode bono ne bufu a no afa dua enya ba no de bono ne bufu a no akofa sekan obi di sekan ne kura no ode ne tra part no de bobi na you refi say ebetumi adane won nsem na anu no atwa akora no what is wrong with you what is wrong with you and you say be angry but do not
sin menye bone
na ochi na machira won onyankopon kasa ne bufu Israel fo ne bukra betumi afuye nsa Christopher. But change your trunk or say nebo cherry fruit.
Yeah.
Nana doye edos.
Papa mija wakona woni what was na ne tie fo ato so na nyame aduma china se utimi ba yesi ye won krofo bi nso wo ho a wo ka no kra kire o ma no mubu afu eno no mede be yesi won krofo bi wo ho a wo kan no kra wo mo a wo mo de on pen say wo be kan no kra worim sa de na wo kan ye no kra but ashe ne say wo hu no kra no na wa ka kire no
why hyper vigilant and sometimes mo ye narcissistic.
Oh
na edekro beba meche narcissism.
Yes, yeah.
Oncrophobia, they want control around them all around. Nobody is anybody.
Obi anya obi a
no nko na ye somebody. Enti nkamasem
wutunifu na ne bu ofri
abi memfa
menkamasem kra
o ka chene se me na me waawo
ai me na me waawo untimi sa metufu wontio entunim o ya de na ese na obi ade na ni hwe no
ai it's a personality disorder matchere.
Wow.
A serious personality
disorder
matchere pa.
Okay.
Na ni treatment because you are densembo
hey
ne densembo
sa narcissistic no
me ka ona entina usiso na say last me catch you it say what say dua say when you younger na tene
no easy ba wonyini wi a
enti say wo so na etene wa
tene so tie
na enche o be develop narcissistic personality disorder ne treatment
needing wo be brands and what you
ntumintu
empire ntumintu narcissistic demons
david empire ntu eti ayati na ye church want to say teach and train the child the way you should go. One can say train an adult.
Debbie osi akwada no nyina won free
and say adult training you train adult
training there papa just say one momuji wa there to say on
fa their attitudes are formed. They can say
yeah,
the younger the brain,
yes,
the deeper the imprinting. It is a adreno adwene a afa na enyini a o dan no a
enye den na mmom so onyini wi a
ebebo apa onyini wi dia enkokora abusafo
wo mo mpɛ ne kora o ware bia bebre ei sɛ wo kuru mpɛ ne kora yɛ mpɛ ne kora
wo bebre papa ente abusafo ha na mani akosua e the first part no abc unu ze akosua na me transe a na we free flow
Minya baby from me tinto. We gon' call me man chat to say I do.
Make I say Just Bread and Pastries. Almost they are proudly introducing to all kenke sellers and vendors in Accra. Wanga etonton eye kenke dokno eye gankenke ibi. Or say a opportunity to order hot kenke from Just at a wholesale price. 3 cities. That's how dokuni convenient. Send you see a package, you know, a koye papa, a tasty, and a sign a affordable. Na one how enko fa or how mu enko pe dokono ahai. Na on fancy we man 50. If you crowd 50 kran koye, obaka ko to doku di wie pa na yema ya. Ye me ko dokono bi. Awura be. Ma bramba. Dokono nya me di mi yam. Doku ya odipa what the yare na ewura ni bediem just kenkede entesa ono no a high quality grain in a clean hygienic environment wase sa wonsa eka just kenka ombe deliver ma a tasty a smooth wase obasa opa ebina oto a etufo bo baako a 3 cities. A clean and hygienic preparation, just say a quiet fast year no a papa and a fain so available. Opposite okay ye, opposite we are wedding, opposite we kenke party, a sorrow AC, a soda. You be see a hair a quiet, a befasua, a beboa, now wonga a ya soda wedgman, a benya, a diani baby, a d. Just bread and pastries, say, from 025 60688 32 025 60688 32 was say what domain behind Ghana Commercial Bank. Make your kenke experience easier, healthier, and more profitable with just hot kenke. Omanfo, me chame ho tiawa. Messiah Abbasisia.
Yes, can you hope you move? Just bread and pastries.
Just bread and pastries.
Yeah, no. Yeah, the Jones hot kenke abba. Dokono papa no.
Dokono papa no.
Afei na wo bekojo. Akoto to eburo. Abetwa ho sente. Ababa ye dokono akwakoton. Wo bra Jones hot kenke ewo ho. Eye 3 Ghana cedis per.
3 Ghana cedis per.
O say price no. Wo betu na wo kwa no akwakoton. Eno no se wonya wonema na wo dia boss. Enti sabre die introducing Just hot kenke. Ye de ebro papa ehu cha ene ye dia ye. Baby ye no nso. Eya honidie nko a. Highly clean environment. Ene no achi no obo ade nsa no naturally nice and it tastes good. Enti ye comfort the amount say just hot kenke. No amoto dokono nyina. Ema mo ncha mo ho biem. Ema mo mre biem. Mo metum free ye nchen. Eye 3 Ghana cedis per.
3 Ghana cedis per.
Joe's Bakery. Jome ye wo commercial bank echi hono a. Sa wo pedudu atu a. Na wa frɛ 02560688832. And you say dear Joe's hot kenka benti. And one say wo betu ya. Na wo dia kwa kosi wo kona ho. Na wo ton. Joe's hot kenke. Hot kenke. Ye dia bawo pona no. We eye hot.
Hi, you're from me Abna Ruthie. From Monday through to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Shame, it was Sompa 106.5 FM. Midday Sompa Delight. Bro, Sompa Delight, a social entertainment program. Ebema entertainment, information, and education. Onya, sawati de wo honi nadida. Afi, enanye dance no. Eba, Sompa Delight is a unique blend of entertainment and purposeful conversation. Frobi, no be Frobi, no be so Frobi. Nakashele say, Abna Ruthie, it was Sompa 106.5 FM. Now, ode Sompa Delight, Ebro. Sompa Delight, where entertainment meets impact.
106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesati Kwambo.
Onyankopon di for wastrano ewiye brim. And I'm Nensaso ama Onyankopon reyahon what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some perfect service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Nyankopon kasa chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And mass some perfect service in Chawo home hoda. A yagada kusi if yada anopa. Anopa no nunkusi anopa nunsia. Fawodani na share radins. Na erade beye.
Chairman and Yaji. Now, so make penny they are famous. Yeni Amranka so. Now, so we are my yinti. Makikami Mreswesi, yes, ni. Oh, Akamaya Samopai.
Aquada who dachiana and Yaji. Or penny tranny another round. Mara who sempa na mike. Mintam Kessiana me bossy. Memranti bremu metia futu Elamina binyo Rantani mabawa mutie me Akama yasa muda Akama yasa mupe Suku yima ufoni mikobi
Rhapsody and out here and nam Sompa 106.5 FM. Sompa Rhapsody every Monday to Friday 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Na sa Rhapsody na near Yako. Na mamin fasa kwen so na mama Dickness retired Lydia Ochre. Dickness retired Lydia Ochre, who was the Church of Pentecost, Royal Assembly, Abeka District. And then Wawoda and the Fa Sakwenso, the Jerry or Yejuma, Sompa FM say, Yem Fa Sakwenso na Yemao, happy birthday, and you Yamishra. Where your Dickness retired Lydia Ochre, our the Church of Pentecost Royal Assembly, Abeka District. Your Pentecost, your frey mama Ochre. Oba, Elder Jerry say, when you meet Inshida Papa, Saudi, and ya Awoda Papa Fefe, and Shida Kahun Yanon Cash and Soba, Jerry and Mama. And to Yamima. Unquatente non-fa ishira free or surmusro. I didn't coupon a jar or banum concron. And Fenchira, Ibinka, where my dear one somewhere Juma Wombanu Fiena. Mama Lydia Ochre, Dickness, Church of Pentecost Royal Assembly, when you miss up. Happy birthday from Elder Jerry.
My son, if I approach no namiso.
I'm from my name ba Presla Tnas me pese me den ebuya de bi so ano. Presla, we are clinical psychologist. Me pese what they describe chere kakra say ye kase obi ebu afu na obi bufu a den ya ekoso.
Okay. So obi bufu a reactions bebre etimi ba.
Okay.
Reactions in be or internal wonimu. I think so we can say obu on shows any buefu so ni buefu. And then reactions be na who say maybe wamuna nanim anase waye din nti obia ne se na be play out
right
nti so obi bufu a internally no bon se maybe asem na onipa ko ne catch na asem na esi no
right
now start or dream hu sign so bo a nti na waye din no or dream asem ne hu yie
yes the more I wo dwene ho so no na ebra
oh yes
okay
uba dream hu na wo try so dey ti na onipa ko no yes adie we anasa adie me person ka onye no wanye
okay
na wo dream hu na wo dream tu utimi mu na obi a different obere draw no ayedi and udi kan obi also so a ebufuo ne basa ne de ne na ne body kwa shaky
so
and ho so sa and utimi eti wo wakoma mu say sometimes wakoma bo kakran
palpitations
uti palpitations wo wakoma mu say yes there's something going on inti wo dream no oba dream hu wo behavior mu no maybe oba start akasa
okay
ana obi a on manage ye no maybe obetu nensa ana say the voice be kosoro
hey
obe raising the voice
oba say to nensa kraka
oh ebitimi basa eno na ye ntina ye wa ha no pay yesu management because it's me very 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 serious it is obi bufu a enyema we na obi hu say obu a obe withdraw obu osusu a obe start akasa obu osusu obi hu say ye kind of brofu non verbal communication na I say watwene ho kakra we mu na nanim musa dia oye no wampe but maybe sa oni ba ko no wa baby we su anga management kakra nti o hwe se ne be ya on react in a way a obe proud be
right
but internally ni die na kuma ebo piti na adwene no so aye heja nyema bebre fa na adwene
and the anger yi abufo yi say no ohwe a can we get help you to me obit me sua say the me yi die anko yi nti say me ye be critical about myself and me sama brabo are people able to do that
oh yes the first thing I'll be and say I think say in previous conversations no in kita odi ayedi wa no waka about your reflections so what to ho na dream wa brabo nti en fan say asemasi wa react basa edin akasa ba unu really kunu ana ma relationship aye basa wo so ultimate na say na ka say adenti na me yesa ena ye hu baby a ebufuo efiba say oni ba ko ne ye ade a wo mpe ana ade anka wo hwe kwan so obeye no wanye enti say maybe ebufuo na utai ebufuo na efisa na me ya ultimate busa adenti na me yesa adenti na wo hwe say okay me obi a de bia me pesa ade ko me way obi dini me disagreement so me ka sem na maybe oni me nya adwen a na che se oni ba ko no ye bad ana so oni ba ko no wa sheda no attack me enti wunya sa reflection time na tina say adenti na me ye say adenti na so bi ka bibi say me respond say ya enti wu sa na ma na no so okay no na ma obufu de bia enti I was to change your thoughts.
You have to change your thought. Prisla, it does a pa omanfo. Mama oye enemy tata. Now chi mini Prisla. Yeah, be buamo papa. And then no must spend the time. Namaka about the anatomy of anger. Me be chiro. Say abufuo efiasia. The various stages are FM. And sanye esifi. And then the trigger no then the Kenya de no yana mpanyi ka say brebi anko kampo pa anka enye credit
rasani mabawa mtieme
Monsieur panyi bi ose sanya abufu anka baby ame wo yinka enye ho na me wo nka makoma nim ase misua no na me bufu ntam o ka asam kireme a na me bu afu o ka sampa bia na me bu afu osesa me mia me ho kakra ena me ye de ye ka kire me a anka bi enne kamente said yemiti enti abufuo ese nipa abufuo betumi ase abrabo abufuo betumi ama wakachi eno ntina na matena si na otwe nyina anger management
sukuyi ma ufo ni mikobi na sukoda boni semti manyire mi wensu de oyi medi kwan so mayedi kan be de achi ma fo nyina ye
akra bi oha o correct na bosa ne buafu na auto tantrums wani ambre ho na want bi an chira kwan say we be bua ho pa ne da chia na o say no no o je say some ya akra bi o a anka san fon so me ye nka me ye bio nanso enka chie sabri ya obetumi ada no madwene we ye panyini obetumi you can turn around, you can turn 180 degrees around. James 4:1 say your passions are at war with you. What think any idea period? Eti envy ase number 1 no a trigger. Timi yepa a trigger. Bribi ana eko kapapa. Trigger no chere say bibia ko kan de no. Baby account. Obi akasem bi. Obi abuanimtia. Obi amfo buo amfa maw. Injustice obi asisiu. Ensisi so no hye. Womu and one says asisiu eka ho. Nya no nko loss. Ebi ana bibia fe wonsam. Ade bi aye wode afri wonsam. Afe anim guase humiliation. When mu na triggers etumi ma abufo eba. We all have boundary be our setting na obi breaky boundary no or you see words be a proud asem obekan na a wow na wo happen so akoma pagya na eye ketri obo efu na menyi adu mi pani fieso abrochete na funumio na ma ko e won trigger no ho say sometimes the trigger can be real or imagined e bi o ho a real se na mekan no ade bi ahero walusu phone walusu purse walusu sika walusu adwuma walusu boyfriend girlfriend wukunu no yere wontam ye obi aguanmu as obi akasema ya nti ebi wo ho a real ebi so ho a real imagine ya wadwene say arenti no he me ebumanichi arenti no kan sa asemi arenti na wan frame me arenti na and na okoda no wan ka say goodbye be na your girlfriend also wan ka goodbye obo efu Shia ma maybe asemi kunu kan say I love you until the bo efu I love you so the same about Abrante bi say I know you can love you once down best son of them no that can't not just us I love you now the next day I love you now 3 days or see some son of them on can be you to more than external stimuli baby and a piano idea be external and internal baby na piano baby na obi idea baby can be and our now so a big obi can he simply imagined why do you know for baby baby and me say yes obey say and that no am say no can some say and internally no or prepare for an explosion. Na second one ya make kra na eye nwanwa oyi medi kwan so mayedi kan be de achi mafo nyina ye jame mafo nyina ye jame ene wa ye njam bio second point no eye appraisal ya kan appraisal ya be say che said ye wadwe no esi hihye na ekyerekere niema sefa for example ushia obi no ena otre won sase uchia no ebi a wanhu na wanchia ebi so onhu ye but na wan ye ha nti wanchia o nti obuafu appraisal che say you interpret what church near Masse. What the wife in a fan here be who I can say. At the idea, Mintiano, yes, think about it. Mintiano, yes, and now if I'm not appraiser. Now, appraiser, no, the primary one is a one is a threatening. So when she am in somebody on me was make us say, yeah, in for you, Obi, only Obi, what can I say? I'm poor. Michian, where you nothing. Me pay a man, some me cheer one at 2 and now, no, my name is Smith. I think so on me was. And the primary appraiser, I just say, what interpret it as a threat, a whom nipe or a threat in my life. The secondary partner, can I cope? Adia, or me, and menen in Temu Ebe saying, how am I going to relate? And Ebeko ye Pamame, is he going to be a friend or not? Or better Masiana on Tamasia. The Equi, Ebeko ye na enqui. Sani Menina, your ways, I just say you are appraising. Just say, chum for you, is an appraisal system. Now, a hano, what general if you say, church, and near Manase, the Hannibal say, oh, attribute, because oh, attribute to her. What the Niama Emfra Frafra, Niama, and say, it is so, oh, can see and he said, send me who no, on Pemasam, or I'm a townful. I send me him my henny here, or be brame. Send you see and Nima, who say, or clenching the teeth. Na obona ni pre na otafre na no na na hwe so so wonye esem hwe ni we and the second part of it if I know appraiser na nyame boa ye na enne se yensua sane yesi manage abufu ya brabo ebese onipa unyame ntama unya woto Mifa Yesu ntama kama mre azani na la sulalai oche masase mamitonye 90.0 Wonipa atenka ese hu munyansa ne nimdie atenka ya de bia ese agya no na enda ho saa we have to learn to be emotionally intelligent The autosomy sano the physiological reaction when you adrenal efiase ashishe na adrena kase ai wombume ompemasem entina wanchi ameno me pega men sano yese wo hunu ye wa mframe dan wo hunu sari ye me ne wo kasa no wo heme no wo mpemasem enti adrena twesa mfo nyina wie no na fe your physiology eye oni padua no ni padua yi eye muscles eye tendons eye cells eye arteries eye nompe ni padua yi eye biology but it been eye koso ni padua no mo enti ma hu say cortisol any adrenaline we ndro bi na afi ase ehwie gu ni padua no ehwie gu ni padua mpa na prepare ni padua no say so wonim na me ko yo kasem ya say ni mesia ka bi a che no enti bo say wadwene ono ayo peri bi o pese wo kasem bi eye physiology wadwene no ani padua no afi ase kan bo mu say prepare say entokwa bi edamanim and while we are behunafe na ese muscle tension just say muscles if you say ayede obo se fe na ayese wano kora mtesu okora mba na otafre wano na fe when if you say aye kokko your body is preparing itself for a fight or a flight and on physiology no enti something triggered bibi and a pusu wo and I want to know a fire identify no say where the threat where the unpleasant na ntama no ne pedina fa na fe akoma ebo katri now muscles are ready all be kontoko hunu every say obo eye efu oje pese esua de pese esua nyansa ne ehu atenkam nyansa wo bi ne na sore mantam asai sofo bi ne na sore bantam nye wo fa pulpit no a na chese onya botre da bia obeka asam che no a no de abufuo de ehia nipa no enye enne yesuale
my self pen if I approach no na mi so ansu krobi ani agenti manyanja pade bia o fie o na menyi adu mi pani fie so
yeah to so me ansano emotional experience and nine no emotional experience hano na fe what you feel and no is subjective just won kwa na what obo say obuefu na what say obuefu pa ebi o hamonse na say o kasa subliminally and ebi o ha na fe o kasa den wapeja wonne o tietie mu na don say bobo nkonwa so meni mo bi wo hono a eba sa na ene TV na abre no ama TV no so e pan no de abo wall no ama fan so no ma crash no papa bi na ebo fu a na TV na bre meni ma me bi a na ebo fu a ne kunu anto TV da ebisa na ebo fu a TV no e na abre
asani la la sulalai oje ma sase ma me tonye 90 min points fie o enkrofo fie mu atena tuo
Hana fury and indignation and before no esia bi wonu atwesekan na second kwan nsam when in the subjective experience obon se fe kura no na ne ho so mikoto obi na ohese ne ode ne ba ne buafu ne ba do ne tibo bodam mu ebi mabufu yo mabufu enye dakoro be ku nipa jai
akama famunya sapa akama famu mwanjika amanya mafensho
wobi buafu pam oko krom and am say oko eye krom woko bush ye oko fuom woko peja etwa oko fetch firewood no de aba ne buafu am oko ne sika no entwa ja etwa no
yankobia
and Sompa Rhapsody Gwankobia wadwanya betwa ya boa ho ema watenka no mabufuo no akofam enti obi wo ho a ne bufu a entena fi ho meni mo obi o se kwasi mi yempuyo na ne buafu idie wan hwa no afa sekan enti so wura dem no se me bapa no obi a scatter ale away as our emotional fury and indignation yi na behavioral dimension na beka ho and na meka no wan fa sekan a obefa giant wan fa giant obefa tuo wan fa tuo no anya bi a o fridge and no account ho